Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to show you how to install SteadyProject. So when you get SteadyProject and you unzip it from CodeCanyon, you'll be greeted with this folder. And inside this folder, you want to make sure you point your Apache web server to this folder called public. Within public, there's an index.php, and that's your main routing file. That's what's going to get your website to show up. So let me go to the browser. And within MAMP, I'm just doing this locally. I set my document root to be at that public folder. So once you do that, you'll already have a working screen. So the next thing you need to do is you need to create a database, and then we need to edit one file, and then you should be ready to go. So I'm going to pop over to my phpMyAdmin, and you can see I'm going to create a database called SteadyProject, and I'm going to make it UTF-8 General CI. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create. Now this is super easy. So once you go into SteadyProject, you're going to go to the import function. You're going to choose a file, and then we need to go to Applications. Sorry, this will take me a second here. MAMP, htdocs, SteadyProject, and within this folder, so remember you pointed to public for your document root, but you're going to go into install, and then within install there's a database.sql, and this has all the tables needed to run SteadyProject. So we're going to go ahead and open that, and we're going to click go. Not too much to do. And you can see that it already, it might be off screen a little bit, but it already created all the tables for you. So we actually don't need phpMyAdmin anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. Sorry, this if you go to install.steadyproject.com, by the way, it's the documentation. So that's what I just have following here. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to edit a file. So within your SteadyProject folder, sorry, I'm doing this in Terminal. It's just a little bit easier for me. So let me back out and just show you where I'm at. So this is the exact same folder that you've seen previous. Again, you pointed your document root to public. You were just in the install folder. So the next folder we have to go into is the app folder. So we go into app. Within app, we need to go into a config folder. And then let's list out the files in there. There's a database.sample.php. And we need to copy this and change it to database.php. And then we need to edit this file. So we're going to edit database.php. And I think it's lines 57 through 60. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. And you can see that there is 4 fields that just say fill in here. So I need to say host is localhost. Database is the one I created previously, SteadyProject. For my local install, it's just root. And my password is root. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And that should be it. I'm going to close out of Terminal. And like I said before, as soon as you pointed your document root, you'll instantly get greeted with a page. So I'm going to go click on the sign up and see if it worked. So I'm going to type testing1, testing@gmail.com, and we'll give it a password of testing1, and we'll go create your account. And you can see I'm already in. Pretty simple. The one thing I do want to note is that there's also another folder, and I noted in the documentation, called storage, and you want to make sure that that is 777, but by default it should be. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I respond really fast, so I want to make sure everyone has a great experience. Thank you very much.